I'm super excited about because I picked this unit up from Megalook Hair. If you look in the description box, I put a direct link to this exact wig that I'm about to review, as well as all the details and links to their social media. So I absolutely love Megalook. I have been purchasing and reviewing Megalook wigs for probably going on 8 years at this point. And well, maybe not 8, maybe more like 5 years, and I really do enjoy every unit that I've gotten from them. I know that they normally make some really gorgeous blonde shades, so I have a feeling that that is what I ordered. All I've done is take this out of its shipping packaging because y'all know I like to do everything on camera with y'all. So Megalook has changed their packaging. The last time I got a unit from them, it did not look like this. So new packaging that I do like. Let me go get Tito, y'all. All right, on the front of the box, it just has, you know, a saying with their branding on it. So we slide it out. And the wig itself, yeah, I got a blonde wig. I was trying to remember what I got. The wig itself comes in this storage sack with their branding on it. You see some beautiful blondes. Okay. Outside of the wig, though, they did include some extras that I will show you guys. They gave us some wig tape. Oof, hold on. Some eyelashes. An edge band with their branding on it. Some HG stocking caps. And a hair clip. So, some cute little extras that I will actually use with a unit. Alright, so I'm reading directly off of the sticker, but like I said, I'll put it in that description box. This wig is a 13x4. It is 12 inches long. It's straight, and it's in this beautiful blonde that I love by Megalook called P10-613. I don't know what it is about a blonde bob. For me, it just screams like summertime, springtime. So this wig is what? Right on time. Y'all look at that color. Dang, I mean, that's just a beautiful color. So you get that P10, but then you have some 613s streaked throughout. That is just an amazing coloring job that if I tried to do, but first of all, I could not do it myself. And if I had to get somebody to do it, they would charge me an arm and a leg. So the fact that Megalook can make, you can order this wig already done is a plus, definitely, in my book. As far as that cap construction goes, you do get that 13x4 parting space. You get a comb right there in the front. In the back, you also get a comb, and this band is, or this wig cap is super stretchy. And then you get an adjustable glueless band. So I love everything about this wig, from the color to the construction. And here's that lace up close, just right out of the pack. Y'all, that's gorgeous. That's gorgeous. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put this wig on my head. I'm going to run a flat iron through it. I'll give you a 360, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts, you guys. Be right back.
Me and my people be rolling. Keep it on you and your homies. Every first day of summer, all grown down in the Hummer plane. Hit the park and parlay. Hope that you walk this way. You and your girls on the ride. Play all day, walk on the line. Say what, say what, say what. You know that I like it, baby. Ooh, girl, you know what's up. And you know what I need. Ooh, say what, say what, say what. You know that I'm about it, baby. Ooh, girl, you know what's up. I'm digging you. I'm feeling you. And you know what's up. I know what's up. Said I'm big on you. And I'm wanting you. Tell me what's up. Tell me what's up. People find that I'm zoning right around 2 in the morning. Looking loud
my thoughts on this gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous blonde bob from Megalook hair. Y'all, I'm in love with this unit. The color is nice. I hate 613. Those little darker highlights in this changed that for me. Like, I really do like the color. The cut is awesome. The cap construction is awesome. I literally don't have a single con about this unit. This is a color that I love so much. I'm going to go see what other hair textures they make this color in, because this is so flattering against dark skin tone. 613 scares the heck out of me, like I said, but with this one I feel like it works, so I could definitely recommend this one from Megalook. If you look in the description box, I'll put all the details on this wig as well as a direct link to it, because this is one I think that you would be very happy with. Like, this screams like freshness, new springtime. So yeah, this one is one that I definitely think that you need. Talk to me in the comments. Tell me what your thoughts are on this color and on this unit. Until next time, y'all, which will be very soon. Bye, guys.
Me and my people be rolling.